Friends, Hariprasad is here, lecture 4 on modeling. That is, modeling postures. Hygiene is the word to be followed in the modeling field practically and it leads to good grooming. Hygiene. A model has to keep good health. It is a must to enjoy the pleasures of life and to work efficiently as a good model. 7 aspects can be kept in mind for personal hygiene, which reflects the intelligent care given by the individual to preserve health. Cleanliness, posture, daily exercises, relaxation, adequate sleep, balanced diet, positive thinking. Good health reflects itself in clear complexion, fine textured skin, luxuriant hair. Health problems lead to beauty problems. 7 aspects indicate a dull, shallow complexion, a sluggish circulation, lack of fresh air, irregular elimination, improper diet, mental tension, over-exertion, lack of rest. Personal cleanliness, appearance and personality are considered to be very important for a model. She should observe the 7 rules. 1. Take a daily bath at least twice a day in summer. 2. Use a deodorant to avoid body odor. 3. Keep teeth and gums in good condition. Brush teeth at least twice daily and have a dental examination every 6 months. 4. Avoid bad breath. Rinse mouth with a mouthwash every morning. 5. Keep hair well groomed. 6. Change underwears and stockings daily. 7. Avoid common use of towels, combs, hairbrushes and cosmetics. Maintaining good health. 7 points can be considered and exceeded to for maintaining good health. 1. Breathe in clean and fresh air. 2. Drink sufficient water every day. 3. Follow a balanced diet. Do not overeat. 6. Stand, sit and walk with good posture. 5. Get adequate sleep. 6. Take morning and evening walk or outdoor exercise daily. 7. Have regular physical examination. Beauty in motion. Beauty in a model is the sum total of her looks and the way she moves and her general posture. Beauty in model. A slouching walk, an inelegant sitting position can easily mar the impression of an otherwise very attractive model. The way to perfect beauty in motion is to practice good posture, an elegant walk, and a graceful sitting position consciously until these become a spontaneous part of one's personality. It helps to join a movement or keep a fit class or to take up dancing, skating or gymnastics. Avoid hurried, jerky gestures at all times. Correct posture helps to prevent fatigue, improves personal appearance and permits graceful movements in everyday work. Good posture is an important part of personal care. Besides, it is a self-disciplinary factor which contributes to the development of other good habits. These are the determining elements of a gracious and pleasing personality. Regular exercise keeps the muscles of the body in good condition and assists in joining the habit of good posture. Good posture is a matter of habit and practice will train the muscles to hold the body correctly. To walk and stand correctly, the body weight must be properly distributed to attain balance. Correct standing posture. Good standing posture is a health as well as a beauty asset. If the shoulders sag forward, the chest will be cramped and lungs will not be able to expand properly. The cells of the body will not obtain enough oxygen and the result could be fatigue and lack of energy. If the backbone curves too much, the stomach and intestines will be cramped and could result in digestive problems. Correct standing position is in the following weight points. 1. Head up, chin in, chest forward, shoulders relaxed, and lower abdomen flat. 2. Center line extends from center of head through neck, shoulders, hips, knees, and arches of feet. 3. Body weight is balanced along the center line and supported by the weight bearing arches of feet. 4. Stretch the body upwards and hold it comfortably, not stiffly, with the weight evenly distributed on both feet. 5. Hold the tip girdle evenly with both sides at the same level. 6. Contract the buttock muscles slightly, holding the stomach in. 7. Keep shoulders down and back without forcing them into an unnatural position. 8. Hold the arms loosely by the side. Correct walking posture. Walking gracefully will help to make you look slimmer and more attractive. On a catwalk, model walk, it will help to show off your clothes. Applicable only in ladies. The following 5 points can be kept in mind while walking. 1. The basic position should be as described in the correct standing posture earlier. 2. The weight of the body should be tilted forward as the height is switched from the back to the front foot. 3. Toes should always point directly forward, not outwards or inwards. 4. The arms should swing slightly to and fro, but not in an exaggerated way. 5. The hips should be level, not swinging from side to side. Practice this posture as you walk. Nota bene means important thing to remember. Most of the points are suggested in the course material of Konapredi Institute are meant for lady models, including the ones stated above. But all models, both males and females, should know about both models as both sexes have to work cooperatively in fashion shows and ads. Correct sitting posture. Correct way to sit on a hard chair is to glide gracefully into a sitting position. Never fall into a chair. When sliding to the back of the chair, place both hands on the front edge of the chair at either side of the hips. For a good sitting posture, 9 rules may be observed. Check that the chair and desk are at the correct height. 2. Sit with the bottoms pressed against the back of the chair. Things evenly pressed down on the seat with the hip joint forming a right angle. 3. Rest the feet flat on the floor with the knee ankle joints forming right angles. 4. Keep the feet close together. 5. Keep the knees together. 6. Place the feet out slightly further than the knees. 7. Never push your feet under the chair. 8. Keep your feet in the basic stance position. 9. Hold shoulders back a little and keep the backbone upright in its natural curves. Correct stooping position. When you pick up an article from the floor, follow the following 3 rules. 1. Place your feet in the basic stance. 2. Keep the back perpendicular as the knees bend. 3. Lift with the muscles of your legs and buttocks, not with the back. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.